So as an affiliate marketer, you may or may not have heard about Htacess redirects. Htacess redirects are for Linux-based web hosting, or actually Apache-based web hosting. Htacess is a file that sits on your web server. Typically it's included on, depends on your web host, but typically it's included on each web host, a file that you can edit to control certain directives that are sent to the web server, so you can control the behavior. Using Htacess redirects, you can have a URL that looks a little bit cleaner and nicer and will entice the user to click more. So I'll show you how you can change an old web page from an old web page to a new web page, and how you can use this on your website. First, we have a website pictured here, and I have an FTP client, FileZilla, which I highly recommend. And you can see the Htacess file on the server here. And I'm going to open it and look at it. So here I have selected the file, and I've right-clicked on it, and a menu appears, View, and I will click on the View and Edit menu. This is in FileZilla. The first thing we see here are some comments and some additional directives that aren't relevant to the redirect we're doing. So these appear, we'll see some of these sometimes on Htacess files. So these depends on your web hosting, but these are you can read up on these, but they're not related to what we're teaching. This is actually what's important here. This line that says redirect space 301, then we have the old URL we're using and the new URL. So you'll want to use this syntax on your Htacess files to show what the new file is, and pictured in blue here, and the old file. And you can see the new file, the new website location will write out the whole URL, and whereas the old file is written out relative to the path on your web server. So hopefully now it's a little bit clearer. You have the file the product we're recommending. We can see recommend/product, and then the ugly looking affiliate link that we're linking to. So this will entice more click-throughs and give your website a little more professional look and feel. In the next video I'll show you some alternatives to using Htacess files if you find this too complicated.